In a lab in Oregon, as scientists fertilized human eggs, they also swapped out some DNA, correcting defective genes that carry disease, proving it is possible to genetically modify human embryos, but fueling a growing debate.
It's one of those things that I think is inevitable. It's going to be hard to control, hard to regulate because the technology is so accessible.
According to MIT's Technology Review, which first reported on the breakthrough, the scientists used a technique called CRISPR, already used with partial success in China. Essentially a way to cut and paste DNA, replacing unwanted genetic information. Scientists say it could someday eliminate inherited diseases like some cancers, hemophilia, and sickle cell anemia. In Bloomfield, New Jersey, Michael Goodwin and his wife Faja are afraid to have children. He has sickle cell, she's a carrier.
If I could prevent my kid from having to be up in pain and crying 24/7, I would do anything in my power to stop that.
But critics worry CRISPR could be used to create designer babies, selecting hair or eye color. And some say there's potential for new mutations or even malicious uses. Last year, former Director of National Intelligence James Clapper called genome editing a potential weapon of mass destruction. And Congress has banned turning gene-edited embryos into babies. In that lab in Oregon, the embryos weren't allowed to develop more than a few days. But the debate over what they may have started lives on. Kristen Dahlgren, NBC News, New York.